Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a real quick overview video of my latest project here now that I'm back to digital designing. As you can see, this is one of those candy cane Christmas countdowns. You've probably seen them where they hang on the wall, but those tend to droop to one side as you take them out. So I made this little like sit on the shelf kind here, so I'm pretty happy with how this turned out here. As you can see, we've got the numbers 24 through 13 on this side, and then we have 12 through 1 on the other side here. So what you do is you take one of these out each day leading up to Christmas. You can either eat them or hang them up on your tree and then divide them out with your family on Christmas Day. And then as you can see, it's just a pretty fun little thing that you can do. Just pull them out and you can place them back in there wherever you want. And then once you get done with one side here, you can just turn it over to the other side and count down the rest of the time there. So this is pretty cool. I got little individual cutouts. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see the actual candy canes through there. So that's the reason why I designed it that way. You can add lights inside the box if you want to, like those little fairy lights. That'd be a cool idea to light it up. And then additionally, you can score the Christmas countdown letters if you want to make it cut faster. Same thing with the Christmas tree on the side here. As you can see, I've got a little Christmas tree with the candy stripes on them. You can cut out the center, score the outside, or you can score the whole design if you want it to be a little bit stronger. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the Christmas countdown file, the Candy Cane Christmas Countdown. So if you want this file, check it out in the shop, freshstartcustoms.com, or on Etsy with Fresh Start Customs as the shop name. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the new design, and I'm hoping to come out with more designs here soon. We'll catch you guys in the next one.